channel. So let's get started this handmade bag, clutch, whatever you call it. I will be cutting off these pieces from this box, so I will be just leaving the basic parts to make the bag close and open. Then I will be applying the white glue on top of this cardboard, and then I will be using the tissues to stick it all around the box to make a texture for this clutch. While I was doing this, I forgot that I have to make another part for this clutch to opening part of this. So then I will be taking this cardboard piece, it's a soft piece, which I will be sticking on the top part of the box to make it the lid type part for the clutch. So I will be cutting it extra, and then I will be folding it to make it the exact size of the box, and then you can see how much is the part in front. I will be using the hot glue to stick this part over it. Then here you can see how much part is coming on the front. If you want to make it longer more, you can do it long piece, but I wanted just this much size. Here you can see the black part, how much it is in front. So then this part of the box, I will be folding it, will be sticking it inside, and then at this point I will be adding some more cardboard pieces, same color, inside as well, to make the box sturdy and heavy, because we are going to use beads on it, clay beads, so it will be heavy just on the front part. So you make sure that whatever cardboard boxes you are using, they are strong and hard enough. Then I'm using this golden acrylic paint to color all the sides of this box. Then here I am using this gold porcelain to make the beads. If you want to use the real beads, you can go for it, but as you know, when something we can try at home by using some cheap stuff, we can go for that. But if you want to use the realistic beads, you can go for that, but I wanted to try it. So I will be adding some green acrylic paint inside this clay. Then I will be kneading it again to color it green color. This is one option as well. You can do mixing the color and make the clay completely green, but if you don't want, you can use any kind of clay. Then you can color by after making it beads, you can color them green as well. So that's another option. So I will be taking some pieces, how much size and beads I want to make. I will be rolling it like this. Then I will start to give it the shape for the beads, round, square, oval, whatever shape. I'm making here oval shape, and while the clay is soft, you have to do it for at that time, otherwise it will start to hold the shape and it will not be proper shape. So like this I will be making oval shape, and then I will let it dry shape. I want the beads little bit dark color, not like this shade, so I will be adding more green color on top of this. And then with my finger I will be adding black acrylic paint just to tap it over this bead. Then press it down, spread it all around the bead just to give it the shade of gemstones and those things. So here another piece I will be showing you close up. Gem. So here I have made the shape again. Then I will be using this black acrylic paint by brush first, and with my finger I will be spreading it all around like this. Then here you can see what I am creating, actually the shade on the beads, just to create a realistic look. After finishing all the beads, once they get dry everything, I will be coloring. I will be using the spray paint to I will be using the transparent spray paint to varnish them. Here you can see how it's giving the shade now, black and green color. So after these colors get dry, I will be using a little bit bright green color on top of this to highlight the beads properly. Here you can see the black color got mixed properly with the green color, so I have to use this light shade to make them more prominent and realistic look. So after it's all done, I will be using the transparent spray, or if you have varnish liquid, whatever, you can use that to make them glossy and shiny look using the Now here the box got dry. I will be applying some glue on top of this now, where I want to sprinkle this golden glitter. If you want, you can go for the fabric as well, that doesn't matter, but I want to create some texture with tissues, that's why I used the tissues, but you can go for the fabric if you want. So here I'm sprinkling this golden glitter on top of the box. Wherever is the glue, the glitter will stick over it and the rest will come off. I have already varnished the beads. Here you can see I was keeping them on that chocolate box actually, just to use a spray on top of them, and then I let it dry completely, and then I will be sticking them over it. But first I will be placing them on the box to check the place where I have to stick them in different shape, in different rows and those things. So like this, then I will be using the white glue to stick them. You can go for the super glue as well, or any kind of glue, but do not use the hot glue because it will not stick. After it get cold, the hot glue, the beads will come off. So make sure you are using either super glue or the white glue. The hot I will leave them dry completely to stick properly with the box, and at that point I have already used the thick pieces of cardboard inside the box as well, because this was a little bit wider, so it doesn't matter if I use any extra cardboard pieces inside to make them stronger, because I don't want to use the cardboard outside, because in this way the bag was going to be very wide and thick. So yeah, anyway, then this is the tissues I'm using. I have sprayed some water on it to roll them, to make some rolling pipes to cover the sides of the beads, to stick them around the beads, and then I will be coloring them with the black acrylic paint. Then here I will use again the glue around the beads. Then I will roll these tissues around them and leave them dry completely until they stick properly. Didn't use any kind of handle or chain holding part for this clutch because I just want to leave it as it is for the parties and those things. But if you want, you can apply any handle or chain on it from the sides. And there are so many new ideas of these clutch and bags and handbags, shoulder bags, those things in my mind, which I am going to make in my upcoming videos. So you can say this is going to be the week for these clutch and bags, handmade bags. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel and click on bell notification. Do not forget it, because there are so many people who are not receiving the notifications because they didn't click on bell button. So make sure you are clicking on it. And then here I'm using this black acrylic paint to color these. They are looking nice with the white as well, but I will be using this black acrylic paint to merge the color together and to make them look almost the same combination. So here you can see they are looking nice with the black more than the white, but you can go for any color you like. You can use any golden, bronze or silver paint as well. So here almost we are done. Any gold. Then here with the back side of the brush with the same green acrylic paint, I'm just making some small dots to make them looks like beads. As I said, you can go for the realistic beads and stones and those things, but I just wanted to show the other details and other ideas what you can do at home with easy materials available to create something unique. So this is my style. You can go for the realistic things as well. But anyway, I love this bag. I wish that I could show you the realistic in real life, the look of this bag clutch, because in this slide it's not as charming and attractive as it looks in real life. I tried to take many type pictures, but it was not getting clear. And the beauty is not clear in this video as it is nice in the realistic life. So anyway, I'm in realistic life, I'm in reality without camera. So anyway, I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming with the new ideas in new videos. Till that time, bye for now.